Today I'm drawing the same cozy illustration in two different ways. First, traditionally on paper, then digitally in Procreate. Same idea, same style, but two completely different creative processes. So let's see how they come together, and I will share which method I prefer and why. First, let's start with the traditional drawing materials. I'm keeping things really simple today, just a few basic tools and a sheet of paper. Then I will recreate the exact same illustration in Procreate using layers, brushes, and a similar color palette. Along the way, I will share what I enjoy about each process and why I personally feel more comfortable drawing digitally. I'm starting with the traditional version. I really love drawing on paper because the process feels calm, simple, and personal. There is something special about hearing the pencil move across the page and watching the colors slowly build up. Traditional art also creates natural texture that gives the illustration a warm, handmade feeling. Every little line, color variation, and mark becomes part of the final piece. At the same time, traditional drawing encourages me to be intentional. Once I add ink or color, it stays on the page. That makes the process feel very present and focused. For this version, I'm adding the colors gradually and keeping the details soft and cozy. One thing that makes traditional drawing a little more challenging for me is that I need to be more careful with my lines because I can't simply undo a mistake. If I'm not happy with a line, I may need to redraw it or adjust it as I go. The same goes for coloring. Before I start, I like to test my colors first because once the color is on the paper, it's not as easy to remove or change. Digital drawing feels a little more flexible for me in that way. I can experiment more freely with colors, undo changes, and try different options without worrying too much. So I'm adding now the final touches, and my traditional version will be finished soon. I love how warm and textured it feels. It has that cozy paper quality that is difficult to recreate in exactly the same way digitally. Now I'm recreating the same illustration in Procreate. The biggest difference for me is control. I can adjust the sketch, move small details, resize parts of the drawing, and refine my lines while the illustration is still developing. I also enjoy testing colors palettes digitally. I can place colors next to each other, see how they work together, and change them before I fully commit to the final look. Procreate also gives me lots of brush and texture options in one place. I can switch from a pencil style brush to soft paint, ink, or textured effects without changing my entire setup. Digital brushes do not replace traditional materials, but they make it easy to experiment with different effects while keeping the same cozy illustration style. Another reason I enjoy using Procreate is that it gives me space to make decisions slowly. If I'm unsure about a detail, I can try a few different versions and choose the one that feels best for the illustration. I can also work in separate layers, which makes it easier to keep the sketch, line work, colors, and small details organized. That means I can adjust one part without affecting the rest of the drawing. And even though I'm using an iPad, I can still create a traditional feeling by choosing brushes with pencil-like, grainy, or paper textures. I really like the combining that handmade look with the flexibility that digital drawing gives me. For me, that balance is what makes Procreate such a comfortable and enjoyable way to draw. This is one of my favorite parts of working digitally. I can explore different options without feeling limited. For example, I can try a background, change the color, lower the opacity, hide the layers, or remove it completely. Undo and redo give me the freedom to experiment more confidently. If I decide the illustration looks better with a simpler background or without one at all, I can make that change easily. That flexibility is why digital drawing often feels more comfortable for me personally. And as you can see, I'm now making the final adjustments to my illustration, mainly fine-tuning the colors until they feel just right. This is the final version, exactly how I want it to look. And here is the digital version. I love how clean and adjustable the final result feels, while still keeping the soft cozy mood of the original idea. And here are the two versions side by side. One illustration created through two different processes. Neither process is better. They simply offer different creative experience, but personally I feel more comfortable with digital drawing because it gives me more freedom and control while I create. Which version do you prefer, traditional or digital? Let me know in the comments. See you. Bye bye.